Hello and good morning. Thanks for tuning in. This is Holly live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. Today, the S&P ASX 200 is up, gaining 0.98% in the opening session. The top performing stocks in this index are Eagers Automotive, which is up 8%, and Mesoblast up as well, 7.6%. The Australian Real Estate Investment Trust is the best performing sector, gaining 2.14%, rebounding from its recent decline. And now looking at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session, Australia's largest miner, BHP, has announced that it will be retaining New South Wales Energy coal in its portfolio. BHP will also look to continue mining beyond its current 2026 contract and cease mining by the end of 2030. New South Wales Energy Coal Vice President Adam Lancy has said that the company will look to work with people, local business partners, traditional owners and local and state governments to ensure the pathway to closure is managed in a way that meets community and regulatory expectations. Shares of BHP in the opening session were up by 1.45%. Following this, China's Chevron Chemicals has been awarded an engineering company a 10-year global master service agreement, which will include project development for onshore and offshore assets. Under this agreement, Worley will provide engineering and project-related services. And in response to the news, shares of the company were trading 14.14 in the opening session. Meanwhile, automotive retail group Eagers Automotive has announced an on-market share buyback of up to 10% of its issued share capital. The decision follows the company's positive market guidance and trading update released last month. The buyback will commence on June 30 and it's expected to occur progressively within 12 months from commencement. Shares of the company were up 8% in the opening session. And then, meanwhile, the largest provider of services in Australia's superannuation administration industry, Link Group, continues to recommend that shareholders vote in favour of the proposed Dye & Durham acquisition, despite concerns raised by the ACCC. Link says it will continue to work closely with Dye & Durham to move along with the approval process. Link Group shareholders will vote on the proposed scheme on the 13th of July. And the Commission will announce its final decision on the 8th of September. In response to this news, shares of Link Group in the opening session of the ASX were down 10.7%. And that brings us to a close here on the early trades on Kalkine TV, but stay tuned for more because we have a lot of shows lined up today. I'm Holly Shields signing off.